as usual with the news media, you can find the answer that you want for the question you're asking. And when that question is, when is the tapering going to begin on the quantitative easing 3? Well, you can find about anything you want, and unfortunately it's not going to make a difference with what rates are doing. I'm Jed Wonderly with Noble Home Loans, and this is the Las Vegas Mortgage Market Minute. It's Friday morning, and like I've always said, rates on Friday are always higher than on any other day of the week, all else being equal. That said, rates are going to start off better today because right now the mortgage bond market is up 39 basis points. That's a good start to the day, and I think it's coming from getting some clarification, or at least what people think is clarification about when the tapering is going to start. A lot of reports that I'm reading seems that it's leaning toward starting in September and ending in June. That would be about a 10-month period for the tapering. It looks like for the most part it's going to be a nice slow easy taper of about $5 billion a month. You know, there's going to be some question as to whether or not it will actually begin in September, and that's going to hopefully be solidified with the symposium from Jackson Hole today, and also probably the jobs report in September, which is the first Friday in September, is going to really give the Fed the last bit of ammunition they need to decide, yes, let's go ahead and start tapering in September, or no, let's hold off maybe till October and see if that's a better time to begin. One way or the other, I think the bond market and the investors and traders already have a lot of the pricing increases built in terms of an initial impact once they do start the tapering. What you're going to see though is that trend upward that I've talked about, you know, how rates are going to be trending upward between now and next June, and maybe even beyond that, just based on, you know, the strength of the economy and the strength of the housing recovery and that type of thing. So I would recommend taking advantage of the nice pricing improvements today. If you want to float through till Monday, you know, there's nothing huge with regard to economic news on docket from Monday, so that might be a good thing to do relative to what I said earlier in this video, relative to, you know, all other days being better for rates, you know, all else being equal. So have a great weekend, have a great day. Please feel free to contact me if I can help you with anything. I'd love to be able to help you out. Don't forget, we have our Lock and Look program, which gives you the ability to have your client lock now at current rates and shop for up to a year. That Lock and Look program is good for a year. Your rate is locked in. And if rates happen to be better when your client's ready to actually pull the trigger and get that loan submitted, then we can relock at the lower rate. So you have nothing to lose, everything to gain. You look like a hero for your client, and it really locks them into you as well. So please go ahead and contact me if you have any questions on that. Look forward to doing some business with you. Again, have a great weekend. Take care now. Bye-bye.